Good afternoon, I'm Lucy and I represent Optimal Builders. This modern residence on the outskirts of London is truly state-of-the-art. It's a smart home, and as we walk through, you'll find out what makes it truly special. Here at Optimal Builders, this project is very special to us. We built this house from the very first stone to the very last. We worked with our clients hand in hand to create a beautiful finish that they're so happy with. If we just take a second to look at some of the exceptional features on the exterior of the house, we have a combination of different natural stones on the walls and the detail in the windowsill, along with the driveway, custom built aluminum windows, blue light, completely insulated, triple glazed, and soundproof. And now we can't wait to show you inside this modern home. There's nothing better than being comfortable in your own home. We have full underfloor heating throughout, as well as smart ventilation and thermostats in every room, so you can control it to your liking. Here at Optimal Builders, this project is very special to us. We built this house from the very first stone to the very last. We worked with our clients hand in hand to create a beautiful finish that they're so happy with. The aesthetic here is a lot of natural stone, breeding a clean, modern finish. The custom cabinets really make a feature of what's important to our clients: decorative elements, and of course wine. Here in the entry foyer, we've used only the best materials and artistic techniques to create one of the most spectacular entries. Throughout, we've tried to work with clean lines to create a really modern, natural aesthetic that meets the client's needs. We paired this with beautiful custom artwork, reaching 5 meters. In order to make everyone feel at home in this house, each room has its own almost ecosystem with its own set of ambient lighting, controlled heat and ventilation. No master bedroom would be complete without custom his and her wardrobes and a beautiful ensuite bath. Again, how amazing. With the scale of the windows and scale of the artwork, this house really makes an impact. We go into some of the guest rooms. The clean lines continue. And notice there are no radiators. The underfloor heating takes over, and you have a nice clean finish again. The comfort continues in the family bath, where you have heated floors, heated walls, and of course, a soaking tub. At Optimal Builders, attention to detail is paramount. No need for a bunch of separate contractors to get you the finishes you want. We take it all on board to get you the details and the high-spec finish you deserve. So another beautiful guest bedroom where anyone would be happy to stay. Customizable heating features, lighting, and of course, the artwork is mirrored from the other side. All of the finishes on the wall are a special technique from Italy. We bring it right to you. Almost everything in this home is automated, powered by solar panels, ensuring almost zero run costs. The open plan kitchen and dining area is a seamless open space with marble and granite finishes throughout. The custom 6-meter bifold doors open onto the outdoor space and fill the room with natural light. The air purification and ventilation system in this home ensures fresh air in every corner, meaning the air inside of your home is cleaner than outside. Outside, you'll find a modern heated pool, jacuzzi, and even a sauna, making this the most ideal indoor-outdoor entertaining space.
The perfect pool and spa area really isn't complete unless you have your own sauna.
Almost everything in this home is automated. The pool and jacuzzi are heated with a heat pump powered by solar panels, ensuring zero running costs. Even the lawn is mowed by a robot.
So in the garden, the smart and modern features continue with a fully automatic irrigation system throughout, custom controlled lights, and obviously an extensive garden. I know, you're having so much fun. Outdoor kitchen and relaxation area complete with a wood-fired pizza oven and barbecue, and fully custom aluminum structure.